Hi, welcome to Consult Kriba YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how medical device certifications determine export opportunities across global markets. Many exporters focus on finding buyers first. However, in medical device exports, certifications often decide which markets you can enter. Different countries follow different regulatory systems, and understanding them helps you choose the right export strategy. Let us start with Europe. Europe is one of the most regulated medical device markets. CE marking under the European Union Medical Device Regulation, or EU MDR, is mandatory for most medical devices. Buyers and distributors also expect ISO 13485 certification. In addition, exporters must maintain technical documentation, clinical evaluations, and compliance records. The approval process typically takes 6 to 12 months. Because of these requirements, Europe has a high entry barrier, but it also offers access to a large and stable healthcare market. Now let us look at the United Arab Emirates. Medical devices are generally registered through the Ministry of Health and Prevention. A free sale certificate from the country of origin is required. CE certification, or US FDA approval, is often preferred by regulators and buyers. The approval process usually takes 2 to 4 months. Compared to Europe, the UAE has a moderate entry barrier and serves as a gateway to many Middle Eastern markets. Next is Africa. Africa does not have a single regulatory system. Every country follows its own approval process. For example, Nigeria requires NAFDAC registration, Kenya works through the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, and South Africa regulates medical devices through SEHPRA. Approval timelines can range from 1 to 6 months, depending on the country and product category. Many African markets are more flexible compared to Europe, making them attractive for exporters looking for volume opportunities. Now let us discuss Russia. Medical devices require EAEU registration. Local clinical testing may be required for some products. Documentation must be prepared in the Russian language. The approval process generally takes 6 to 12 months. Because of these requirements, Russia is considered a high entry barrier market similar to Europe. When we compare these markets, a clear pattern appears. Europe and Russia are compliance-heavy markets, where certifications play a major role in market access. The UAE acts as a strategic gateway market and provides access to regional opportunities. Africa is largely a volume-driven market, with country-specific requirements and flexible pathways for many products. This is why many successful exporters do not start with buyers. They first evaluate their product readiness and certification status. The level of compliance you achieve often determines the markets you can target. Strong certifications can open opportunities in Europe and Russia. Practical product performance, documentation, and distribution support can help you grow in African markets. The UAE can help connect your business to multiple regions through trade and distribution networks. The key lesson is simple. Certification is not just a regulatory requirement. It is a market entry tool. The better your compliance readiness, the more export opportunities become available. Export success comes from aligning your product readiness with the requirements of your target market. Consult Kriba helps you align your product and sales process with market direction. To learn more, visit www.consultkriba.com.